Hi there. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. What did you do over the weekend?
I went to the park with my family. We had a picnic and played some games. What about you?
I stayed home and watched movies. It was relaxing. Hey, do you have any plans for next weekend?
Not yet. Maybe we could go for a hike or try out a new restaurant. What do you think?
That sounds like fun. Let's plan it closer to the weekend. By the way, have you seen the new movie that came out?
No, not yet. Is it any good?
Yeah, I heard it's really good. We should go see it together sometime.
That sounds like a plan. Let's make it happen.
Great! Oh, speaking of movies, have you watched any good ones lately?
Actually, I saw a really funny comedy last week. It had me laughing the whole time.
Nice! I love a good comedy. What was it called?
It was called Laugh Out Loud. You should check it out if you get the chance.
I'll definitely add it to my list. Thanks for the recommendation. So, do you have any favorite genres?
I am a fan of action movies, but I also enjoy a good thriller from time to time. How about you?
I'm more into drama and romance movies, but I'm always up for trying something new.
That's cool. It's always fun to explore different genres. Hey, speaking of trying new things, have you ever been to that new cafe downtown?
No, I haven't. Is it any good?
Yeah, it's really cozy and they have amazing pastries. We should go there sometime for coffee.
That sounds delightful. Let's make plans to go there soon. I'm always up for good coffee and pastries.
Perfect. We will have to set a date.
Absolutely. Oh, before I forget, have you heard about the concert happening next month?
No, I have not. What concert is it?
It's a jazz concert featuring some local artists. I thought it might be something you'd enjoy.
That sounds fantastic. I love jazz music. When and where is it happening?
It's on the 15th of next month at the Jazz Lounge downtown. Tickets are on sale now if you're interested.
Count me in. Let's make sure to get our tickets soon before they sell out.
Sounds like a plan. It'll be great to enjoy some live music together.
Definitely. Hey, have you been keeping up with the latest news?
Not really. I've been a bit out of the loop lately. Anything interesting happening?
Well, there's been talk about a new restaurant opening up in our neighborhood. People are excited about it.
Oh, that's exciting. I love trying out new places to eat. Do you know what type of cuisine it will be?
I think it's going to be a Mediterranean restaurant. I have heard they will have a variety of dishes on the menu.
That sounds delicious. We'll have to make plans to check it out once it opens.
Definitely, it could be a great spot for our next dinner outing.
Absolutely. Oh, speaking of outings, have you ever been kayaking?
Yes, I have. It's so much fun. Why do you ask?
Well, I was thinking it could be a fun activity for us to try together sometime.
That sounds like a blast. Let's plan a kayaking trip soon. Maybe next weekend if the weather's nice.
Okay, bye for today. See you tomorrow.
Okay, good well. If you want to learn English, you can subscribe to English YouTube channel.